Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts. And this is going to be our second Christmas craft. So in your bag, you are actually going to get a ribbon, a very long ribbon. You're going to get a string. You are going to get a special Christmas ornament or plastic ornament. And you are also going to get a little sign that says 2021, how tall I was in years gone by. This ribbon is showing how much I've been growing. And so you can put your name on it. So what you're going to do is you are going to get somebody to measure how tall you are. So then once you've got this all measured out, you're going to cut the ribbon. Then you're going to take the ribbon and you're going to put it in the ornament. So yes, I think it's pretty easy to do, but I haven't done it. Oh, yeah, it is pretty easy to do. Then you're going to put your ribbon inside. And if you wanted to, you can put the sticker in it, or you can put it across the ornament to keep it closed. And then you'll have the snowflake. It might be blue, it might be dark blue. You're going to pop all the little ones out, and then you can decorate your ornament. And also, if you want to, we didn't provide it, but if you wanted to take a very small piece of paper, you could actually do a drawing, and it will show how good of a drawer or a colorer that you are, and you can put it inside your ornament. And then the last thing you're going to do is you are going to take the piece of string that we gave you, and you can put it through the holes and you can hang it on your Christmas tree. Okay? I hope you like this craft. I think it's going to be a really nice craft to look at in years when you are bigger, to see how big you were in 2001 at Christmas time. 2021 at Christmas time. Bye, everybody.